So we take the first method, it's the graphically method. Graphically method to find the solution of the pair of linear equation in two variables. Graphically method you have also studied in class 9th, draw the graph. So same process use here. If suppose that two equations in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, first equation, second equation you know, a, b, c are the real numbers where a, b are not equal to 0. In last video I have to explain it. So suppose that equation x plus y is equal to 4, 2x minus y is equal to 3. So suppose so we want to draw the graph. So how we solve it? First you only draw the graph. Suppose that for equation first you make a box x and y, take any value of x, suppose that 1, value of y 5, suppose that 2, 4, 3, 3. In class 9 you have to find the solution. Remember linear equation. So you have to get 3 solutions from the first equation, from equation second, same, make a box, take 3 values. Suppose that we take 1, y is equal to 1, so set opposite side, 3 plus 1 4 upon 2, y equal to 2, so y is equal to set opposite side, that means 3 minus 2 plus 5 on 2, 2.5, y equal to 3, 6, 3. So you get the 3 solution from both the equation, then plot it. You have to use the graph paper. We have to plot roughly 0. You know it's the Cartesian plane where x-axis x dash, y-axis y dash, intersect at the midpoint is called origin. It's divided into 4 quadrant, first, second, third, fourth quadrant. In right side, that is the positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In left side, that is the negative values. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Positive y value. Downside, negative y values. We have to no need of this, you can leave it. You only draw first quadrant at that your ways. Then plot one by one. First we plot first equations 1, 5. Suppose that A, B, C, P, Q, R. 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 3. B and C. Then draw a line. X plus y equal to 6. You can see it when you draw the line. It's always straight line because the graph of linear equation, and linear equation always form a straight line. So you have to draw first equation, also draw second equation. 2, 1, P, 2.5, 2, 2.5, Q 3, C and R also. Join them. Suppose that 2x minus y equal to 3. So you have to draw the graph, and these both graph intersect at a point. So the intersecting point, that is 3, 3. 3, 3. That means it is a common value between both the equations. So it is also the solution of equation. That means x equal to first value, y equal to 3. X equal to 3 and y equal to 3. It is the solve the equation by graphical method. So we draw the graph and find the solution. Suppose you have to draw the graph, it not intersect at a point. It's not possible to always intersect. So when you draw the graph of the linear equation of two variables, so it can be drawn three types. First, either when you draw the graph, it intersect at a point. Intersect at a point. Suppose that you draw the graph, they never intersect at a point. Parallel to each other. Third types, you draw the graph and you get first graph and second graph. Overlap to that. So first intersect at a point, parallel to each other, overlap to each other. So such types of graph you have to form. So you get the different types of solution. In first you get unique solution. Only one solution. Here you have no solution. Means if the graph of the equations are parallel, so that means the equations have no solution. Number of intersecting points, number of solution. If never intersect, so no solution. If graph intersect at many points, it have infinitely many solution. Okay. It's also called consistent. Consistent means at least one solution. So it's also consistent. It also called dependent. For this case also called dependent. At least one solution. It gives no solution, so it is inconsistent. It is inconsistent. Consistent, inconsistent, consistent. Because at least one solution gave, so it is consistent. So these are when you draw the graph. So you decide unique है, no है, infinite है. Types of graph: intersecting, parallel, overlapping. Without drawing the graph, without drawing the graph, without draw graph, you can identify equation types. How? If A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, so the equation gave, unique solution. A1 x कोफिशिएंट का रेशियो A1 upon A2, y कोफिशिएंट का रेशियो B1 upon B2 is not equal. If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2, so equation gave no solution. Okay. If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is also equal to C1 upon C2, so equation gave infinite many solution. Means you only compare the coefficient and divide them. It's giving unique solution, no solution, infinite solution, such type solution. Okay. Pause the video, note down. Okay. You have to note down. Taking some examples for all. I am not drawing graph. Example: 3x plus y equal to 7, x minus y equal to 6. Suppose that A1 upon A2 3 upon 1, B1 upon B2 1 upon minus 1. A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. So, intersect at a point, unique solution or consistent. Okay. Take for this example 2x minus y equal to 6, 4x minus 2y equal to 5. Find A1 upon A2, 2 upon 4, 1 upon 2. B1 upon B2, minus 1 upon minus 2, cancel out, 1 upon 2. C1 upon C2, 6 upon 5. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, but not equal to C1 upon C2. Two co-ratio of the coefficients are equal, but third not equal. So give no solution. Equations parallel, inconsistent. This case. x minus y equal to 6, 3x minus 3y equal to 18. I am taking examples. A1 upon A2, 1 by 3. B1 upon B2, minus 1 by minus 3, cancel 1 by 3. Then you find C1 upon C2, 6 by 18, 1 by 3. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is also equal to C1 upon C2. So, overlapping. Equation give infinitely many solutions. Consistent, dependent. Okay? I hope so you all understand how we draw the graph and find the solution graphically, and also the types of solution which give unique, no solution, infinite solution by graphically, by without making the graph. Okay? Pause the video and note down very important topic for this chapter, giving 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks also. Note down.